How to change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to change the currency on Facebook Ads Manager, first of all, open up your browser and type in facebook.com. After that, log in into your account. After that, navigate to your profile where you'll be able to see a bunch of options. I just want you to go under settings and privacy. After that, simply click on settings, the very first option, and wait for it to load. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So I just want you to go to Account Center. Simply click on your Account Center and it will redirect to another page. So wait for it to load again here. It may take a while to load. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see profiles, connected experience, and a bunch of other account settings. So I just want you to go to MetaPay. And here you'll be able to see your accounts that is associated with your Facebook, like Instagram. But I want you to click on your Facebook account here. Just simply click on your Facebook account. And here you need to select a payment method. So here you may just tap on add debit or credit card. And here before entering your card number and your card expiry date and all, you'll be able to see in billing address here, country or region. So you just need to simply tap on it in order to change the currency. I'm just going to change it into Australian right now. So from now onwards, Australian dollar is going to be used. So same goes to other country as well. You may just use, you may just tap on it and choose other country. After that is done, you just need to get back up. And that time you need to enter your card details, card number, CVV and all. After that, simply tap on save and you should be able to change your currency on your Facebook Ads Manager just like that. I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.